Okay, hello guys. I welcome you all on this session. This is Olatomiwa Blessing from Blue FX Academy. All right, today we're going to be looking into the market to, extract some opportunities from the market. Uh, as we have market charts on the screen already. All right, so let's quickly rush into the market of the Euro GBP to look at what we have there. Right, as you can see, this is Euro GBP chart, all right, and we are on the 15 minutes time frame of the Euro GBP. As you can see, we have an opportunity on the chart already whereby we've gotten an entry point. All right, so what you're looking at the chart is a finished work. All right, what I meant by that is I've already analyzed the markets and I've gotten different complexes that give us this opportunity to extract. As you can see, I used two different strategies to sketch, to extract this opportunity in the market of Euro GBP. So I actually use the retail trader strategy with SMC, all right, which is very, very, very awesome. All right. So what you're looking at the charts presently is a bullish opportunity on the market of Euro GBP, whereby I have two entries and I have two different take profit zones. So the first take profit zone on this chart will be at 0.86210, while the second take profit is at 0.86391. All right, so you can place your stop loss anywhere you want. All right, it depends on the capacity of your account. All right, so this is where I put my own stop loss. I put my stop loss at 0.85941. Don't place your stop loss above this level. All right, so you can place it lower to this level, but don't place it above, please. All right, the safe zone start from this very point that I put my stop loss. All right, so let's quickly look into uh conferences that I got before I made my entry into the market. As you can see, the price has been so bullish in the past. You may not see it clearly here. Let's move up to 4 hours time frame to see the market clearly. um Look at this. We've been having series of higher highs and higher lows in the past, not until we have this swing high before the price came back to the downside to to take out this previous low and make a series of lower lows and lower highs. All right, so that's not our concern. Actually, our major focus is the market is bullish. The market structure is bullish, 100% bullish. As you can see, the low that's responsible for this for these swings to the upside is still valid, because the pullback from this swing high is yet to take out this low here. So we are still going to be looking out for a buy opportunity, which we have already gotten. Okay, so this is how I got my entry. The price has actually been falling to the downside to make a kind of correction, uh, corresponding to this low that is responsible for this uh trend, right? Don't forget we're on 4 hours time frame, right? So, and that's why I drew a trend line from the daily trend line that I've drew in the past, right? I drew a trend line from this swing high to the downside. So, and the price is already moving towards the trend line already. Is already romancing the trend line, whereby the price has already broken through the trend line from the 4 hours time frame. You may not see it clearly here, so I would like us to drop down to 1 hour time frame to see the market structure clearly. All right. So we just drop to 1 hour time frame now. Can you see the market very well now? Can you see we have a breakout? We have the breakouts at this point to the upside. All right. So for every breakout, you should be looking out for retest. A retest must, follow after a breakout. So after this breakout, we have a kind of retest to the downside where the price uh picked up, right? So, and this is a significant thing that we need to take note of. This structure right here was broken when the price break through the trend line. All right, the structure also was broken, which is also a high confidence for us. Is also contributing to our confirmation that the price will be bullish. All right. So and after that, to see the market, I mean the opportunity clearly, we need to drop down to 15 minutes time frame to see, okay, why we decided to come into the market just like that. All right, so don't forget we have a liquidity at this point that is attracting the price to mitigate. All right, so this liquidity here will attract this price to come to the upside to take it out, and from there the price probably will rise to eat our second take profit here. Let's drop down to 15 minutes time frame to see uh, a clearer picture. Wow, wow, wow. I hope you can see it clearly now. So, to those that trade with technical analysis skills, right? So you should be looking at different confirmations that will tell you that the price will be bullish. All right, so this is the structure that was broken after the breakout. Can you see? Don't forget this trend line from the 4 hours time frame. It was broken to the upside, and this structure also was broken to the upside, which is telling us that this low here, it is very, very, very strong. This low is responsible for this impulse, for this bullish impulse. So, which is telling us that this low is a very, very, very strong low. All right, before we have this impulse to the upside, the price actually tried to move from this point to the upside, but it couldn't, whereby the price make a kind of movement to the downside to break this low, and couldn't break the low as the price moved to the upside. So as the price moved to the upside, this impulse became a fake out or a failed reaction. For every failed reaction zone, they either react as a support or resistance, right? Be it you know downward movement or upward movement. Are you getting my point? So that is that. Through my analysis, you should be learning some, new skills. All right, this is how I do my things, and I kill it every time in the market. I kill it every time in the market. Forget about that. Forget about the sales. The saying that you don't have 100% strategy. My strategy doesn't fail me. It fails actually sometimes, but I accept my loss and I move on. So that is me. That is me, right? So when you work on your psychology, you say that you're the best. All right, so you definitely believe everything you do. So you don't want any other person to tell you what the market is doing. You want the market itself to tell you what is happening. All right. So that is that. So with the help of our Fibonacci retracement that I sketched from this point to the upside, from this very low, very fairly low to the upside. All right, so we were able to get an entry at this yellow zone of the Fibonacci. right? So that's why I got my entry here. So, and don't forget, the failed reaction is always support. If you have a failed reaction to the downside or to the upside, so it depends. Well, I will make another video that will explain this better, right? So we should be expecting the price to rise to the upside and hit our first take profit and the second take profit. So that we have for us today. All right, till I come your way again, guys. Have a blessed day and have a peaceful week ahead. All right, thank you. Bye.